Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck has not yet reached the 130,000-kilometer mark. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.